Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download any videos, photos, IGTV, Reels or anything from Instagram. So you will have to use this website. There are many websites that you can use, but this one, I found this one the best. So the only thing you have to do, you copy the link of the content that you want to download from Instagram, then just paste it, then hit download, wait for a second, and just download video, and your video is downloaded, as you can see, in the same quality as it was on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you think it is cool, please subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.